Hello, here's your boy KOSB Finance, and in this video I want to show you my particular trade on the SuperTrend strategy I showed you. So it's an awesome strategy, trust me. It's one of the best strategies that I've actually seen so far. You can see that I'm already in profit already. It's a buy, just buy all through. So remember I told you that all you need to do is just to put your stop loss here. After putting your stop loss, then you can start moving your stop loss. All right, so you can move your stop loss above the entry to break even. So here it is. So that's it. So that's my stop loss. You can see the market is just moving up. So I can decide to actually put my take profit here. I decide to put my take profit somewhere here, and I'm going to go. So it depends on where I want to actually put my take profit, or where I want to actually get out of the market. I can decide to actually put a take profit, or I can decide to put a stop loss. So it's whichever that suits me. So let's see what this market is going to do for us. So basically, do not forget that we're scalping. This is a scalp trade, basically a scalp trade, and we are doing it on a 1 minute chart. We're doing it on a 1 minute chart. Yeah, we're doing it on a 1 minute chart. So yeah, we're doing it on a 1 minute chart, right? I think the market is beginning to experience some level of reduction in momentum because just broke through this high, this minor resistance right here. So we should be expecting it to move a bit higher. We should be expecting it to move a bit higher. It should touch our take profit, which is here. So let's see what it wants to do. So basically, if you're new to this channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell button. And you want to join our Telegram group, there's a link. You also want to join our you also want to take my free course and download free indicators that I use also. You could actually use this link also. And if you want to reach me on WhatsApp, you have questions, or you want to actually contact me for whatever reasons, here's my WhatsApp here. And every of these links, you can get them in the description below. So you are just a click away. So just check the description below and you'll see each of these links. So do not forget to subscribe to KOSB Finance, so you can get notifications whenever we upload new videos on a weekly basis. Yeah, so do not forget to also click the bell button. That will give you notification whenever videos are being uploaded. So this is our chart. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I might not be waiting till this actually pushes to the upside as expected, but it's for sure that this is going to actually push the upside. So you can see here we're having a consolidation already. There's a bit of a consolidation here already. So market should be ready to push higher now. All right, the market should be ready to push higher now since we've had a consolidation here. All right, so the market is going is doing what it needs to do. When trading, you don't need to panic. You just have to trust the process. I believe that the process is going to be profitable, right? Okay, we're getting close, so you can move your stop loss higher. You can move your stop loss higher. You can move it higher. You can move it here. You can move your stop loss here. So so that's it. That's how you can actually trade this strategy. If you want to get this strategy, it's just check my channel. You'll see the trend, you'll see the super trend strategy. Awesome, mind-blowing. Yeah, mind-blowing, beyond the mind comprehension. Trust me, you're gonna make a lot of profit from this strategy. It's crazy, man, very crazy. So do yourself a lot of favor to get this indicator. You can get this indicator in the description below. You see the free course link to the free course. You see link to that my free course plus the free download indicators. You can see, oh, awesome, nice. Our TP is hit already. Our TP is smelling hot. It's smelling hot, guys. Woohoo! It's smelling hot, guys. Our TP, wow, hit. So that's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. That's just how we do it. So the TP is being hit. I only set TP for one of the entries. That's why you're seeing this up. I can decide to close all of this now. I decide to close all of this now. Alright. I can decide to close all of them in profit. Alright. So here we are. So guys, that's how you do it. So I'll see you in the next video. Catch ya. Take care.